Good morning everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. It is currently 8 o'clock in the morning and I thought I would show you this one. This is the resin one that I did of Fiona's flower. It didn't turn out too badly, so I thought we'd give that a go with the just with acrylics. Right, so gloves. So I've laid out my black. As you can see, I'm working on a 10 by 10 inch, I think it is. I am hoping I've got enough paint down. I'm not too sure. You guys comment below. Tell me how many of you have tried hers and you know, these flowers. Yeah, there seems to be enough, well, quite a lot of paint. And tell me if you've had success with it. Now Fiona had actually subscribed to my channel when I very first started, and I have been following her, but yeah, I thought, that looks really hard. Okay, so I'm going to go in the middle with a little bit of white, using the same colors. So this is the titanium white, and this would be the fluorescent yellow. And then I have red. I don't think I added any other colors. So the resin one would have been my previous video, which you can go and check out if you haven't already. And then I'll go in with the white again. I don't know guys, maybe my lines are a little thick. Oops, I suppose with a squeeze bottle it would be easier or better. I will link her channel in the description, as well as the colours that I'm using. That looks a little wonky. I'm going to go in with the red. Okay, and I'm wondering, do I carry on? Let's put another yellow. No, I think I'll stay with that. Just keep that center. Okay, this is a little nerve-wracking. Okay, so now I'm going to take my skewer, kind of looks like a bullseye, and do that. Um, yeah guys, as you can see, I'm indecisive. Let's go in there. I think this one probably could do with coming in a little more. Maybe that's what I need to do, is come in a little bit closer. Like that. It always looks so good like this. And then here. Oops. Got the shakes this morning. So do I do more lines or not? I'm not sure. Maybe that's good enough. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to squirt my paper. Oh, that's a lot of water. Whew. Okay guys, moment of truth. So even going so gently, I hit a miss here. Okay. Okay guys, you're going to wish me luck. It's a little wonky there. I don't know, it might turn out nice, it might turn out dreadful. Let's see. Right, so I think we'll go this way. And then this way. And then that way. And up slow. Oh, it's a little flower. Well, well, well. We might have a little bit of success here. Just going to cover my edges. I like it. I don't think it looks like Fiona's at all, but what do you guys think? It does look pretty cool though. And I see it is developing. So I'll just give that a little torch. Oh yeah, it's doing stuff. I like it. Okay guys, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. This is it guys. I don't think I'm quite there yet, but I think I'm making progress. I really like it actually. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.